Greetings from Kotak Mutual Fund. I hope all of you are taking good care of your physical health in this challenging times of COVID-19. While it is important to take precautions to maintain physical health, it is also important to take precaution for maintaining financial health. Today, in this noise of social media, a lot of reports are circulating that SIP returns are negative, SIP returns are not good, and one should reconsider continuing their SIP. At Kotak Mutual Fund, we thought of bringing facts in front of you so that you can take appropriate precaution for your financial health. We have a fund called Kotak Emerging Equity, which is our mid-cap fund. In the month of January 20, when markets were in bullish phase, 1 year SIP returns in this fund was yielding 27%, 5-year SIP return was yielding 11%, and 10-year SIP return was yielding 17%. Clearly, SIP investors were a happy lot. In the month of March, markets corrected, entered into bear phase. 1 year SIP return turned negative to minus 41%. 5-year SIP return also turned negative to minus 5%. And 10-year SIP return came down by half to 9%. Obviously, people were worried about their SIP investment. But when SIP returns are poor or negative, that is the best time to continue your SIP and in fact explore SIP top-up, because investments done during bear phase of the market yields the highest return. People who continued their SIP during this upheaval, in the month of September 20, 1 year SIP returns are now 21%. 5-year SIP returns is higher single digit at 7%, and 10-year SIP return is at 14%. More importantly, during this time period, our fund continued to generate positive alpha across most time periods. The whole point of passing this message and data is that you can take appropriate precaution for maintaining your financial health for your SIP investments. Happy investing!
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.